All right, we're about 30 seconds away from the open. I'm just gonna open the screen recorder, and then we can start strategizing for the day. So definitely want to drink a lot of water. So that we're fully prepared. Okay, so the markets are open. We're gonna look right away at FinViz because that's where we go every day. So look at the main gappers and then sort by greatest gainers. So immediately we see this DCIX. It's Diana container ships. So gapped much higher, had a big run up yesterday, and appears to be a continuation pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and trade this DCIX, buy market, confirm send. And it's working. So we'll go on to, let's see what we got filled at. So we got filled at 497. You know, if you're going to grow a small account and you don't have that much money in the first place, then you're just going to want to pick one for the day. So you probably want to wait till around 10 to see which one's going to be the best. Right now, Diana container shipping, it's already at a million shares traded. Its relative volume is 145. So the volume today is 145 times the average volume. So right there, something's standing out about this stock. There's a class action lawsuit deadline. So those can be market movers, but we'll wait and see what happens. All right, so we're back at 2 o'clock on November the 3rd, and a lot has happened. It feels like it's been forever because I went out for a run, I got lunch with a coworker, and so much happened while I was gone. Because if you remember in the morning, we were looking at Diana shipping on FinViz, and you can't even tell. Like, this looks like a yearly chart, but this is actually the 5-minute chart. DCIX was up as much as 600% today. So these are huge swings, and we'll look back at the day and see what unfolded in the simulator. We decided to take a bullish position again, and we got in for 2,000 shares at around 865 is when we bought the 2,000 shares. So I came back, and at around 150 it was 1750. So, and you know, I don't really recommend buying in now. You're kind of chasing now at this point. This could run up to 30 in the next couple hours, you know, for all I know. But the time to get in was this morning, or right at 12. So, you know, it hit 10 at 12:30, and then it hit 14 at 1. So super stupid movements. that don't seem to make a lot of sense, but that's just important to nail. The initial bullish call in the morning, high volume. There's been 11 million shares traded, so the entire company has changed hands 3 times over. This company was bought and sold 3 times today by individual traders or high frequency traders or institutional investors. I don't know. Who's coming in to buy this, but it is apparently looking like a very hot commodity right now, being up 541% on the day. And that's the highlight of the day for sure. So, if you were at the screen using our system, you could have totally nailed most of the gain. Now, whether you set your target at 100% or lower is up to you. Sometimes it's better to just walk away and then at a later time period just check to see the price action, see if you're okay with those returns or not. But yeah, I was absolutely okay with taking profits right around 1750. If it runs to 32, I won't be upset at all. I don't really care because the profit loss on the day is 16,000, and even though we lost a little bit of money in other positions, the subtotal was 11,000 for the day. So 11% in one day is not a bad return at all. So we'll follow up on this tomorrow.